You know you have to do maths in Year 11. But did you know there are different qualifications you can do? GCSE is the one you'll have heard of the most, and it involves sitting 3 exams, 2 with a calculator and 1 without. These can be sat at foundation tier, where the available grades are 1 to 5, or the higher tier, where you can get up to a grade 9. College courses usually require a Maths GCSE of grade 4 or higher. But what does getting a grade 4 involve? Getting a grade 4 requires studying things like standard form, measurements of circles, and algebraic expressions. To get a grade 4 at foundation level, you need a pass mark of about 57%. On the higher paper, you'll do topics like cumulative frequency graphs, trigonometry with non-right-angled triangles, and algebraic proofs. But maybe you're not ready for that yet. You could sit the foundation paper and focus on the core topics. Or you could do functional skills. Functional skills level 1 sits at around a GCSE grade 1 to 2. Level 2 functional skills is equivalent to a grade 3 to 4 at GCSE. Some colleges accept functional skills level 2 instead of a GCSE grade 4 pass. It depends on the college and the course you're applying for. Questions on the functional skills paper are often related to real-life applications. This means they can be wordy and involve reading text and figuring out what maths you need to use. There are 2 papers with a total exam time of 2 hours. So compared to GCSE, there are fewer papers and shorter exam length. There are no grades in functional skills, just a pass mark of 40 to 47%. One advantage of functional skills is that there are several exam dates every year, so you can take the exam when you are ready. You could try functional skills to get the feel of sitting an exam, then sit the GCSE later. Everything covered in functional skills is useful for GCSE too. Okay, I really don't feel ready for GCSE and I struggle with word problems too. That's where our third option comes in. You can do number and measure awards. These are at level 1 or 2 GCSE equivalents. Like functional skills, and they cover similar topics, but are less focused on real-life applications, so are less wordy. There are 2 exams, either in January or May, one with a calculator and one without. And like functional skills, you can sit them now and do GCSE later.
There's no way that I could come into the centre and take an exam. It would make me far too anxious. Even with extra time and rest breaks, that's not what it's about for me. I just know I wouldn't be able to come into the centre or sit an exam.
I understand that, and you are far from alone amongst our learners. We can still find something to reward your learning in maths. What about AQA Unit Awards? These are all sorts of topics that qualify you for an award. Your teacher works with you to make sure you meet the standards and the objectives, and you get a certificate from AQA to prove that you've done those things in maths, and there's no exam. I think I could do exams if I practice them. I'm enjoying maths and I'm doing okay, I think. So I suppose I'd do foundation level. Is that right? With the support of your Link mentor, you can get the feel for sitting exams at mini-mocks and mocks in the spring term. Most people sit the foundation paper, but your teacher will help you decide what's best for you. I quite like questions about the real world. I feel like it's relevant. Maybe functional skills would be the best for me. Is it okay not to do GCSE though? I thought GCSEs were the whole point of it. No, absolutely not. We don't owe the GCSEs anything. Qualifications are there to help us. Whatever qualification is the best to show you what you can do in maths is what we'll aim for. And whatever qualification you get and whatever results you get, you should be really proud. It's a milestone in your journey. Everyone here at Red Balloon is going to support you. So let's do this. I think I could do exams if I practice them.